Hey everyone, welcome back to Talk Money with Tish, the podcast where we help you build financial security, grow your wealth, and create a lasting legacy. I'm Tish, and as always, I'm joined by my co-host, Christina. Christina, how are you doing today?
I'm great, Tish. I'm really excited about what we're talking about today. We're diving into some of the most powerful investing principles out there, straight from the playbook of one of the greatest investors of all time, Mr. Warren Buffett.
That's right. And Buffett has spent decades building wealth and sharing his wisdom. And today we're going to break down some of his key rules and how you can apply them to create and sustain generational wealth.
Yeah, and trust me, these are not just tips for the Wall Street insiders. These are real, actionable principles that anyone can use, whether we're just getting started or already on your wealth building journey.
All right, let's jump in with Warren Buffett's most famous rule. He says, rule number one, never lose any money. Rule number two, never forget rule number one.
I love that rule. That's my favorite. It sounds simple, but there is a deeper lesson here. Buffett is all about protecting your capital. That means avoiding reckless speculation and making smart, calculated investment decisions.
Exactly. Yeah. And one of the ways to do that is by investing in what you understand. If you don't get how a company or an investment works, it's a risky move. So stick to what you know. And if you don't know, learn first or find someone that knows what you don't know.
Right, right. Another piece of this is long-term growth. Buffett isn't looking for quick wins. He focuses on assets that will grow steadily over time, like strong businesses, real estate, and indexed strategies.
Yes. And that brings us to his next key principle, buy and hold. Buffett doesn't chase trends. He invests for the long haul.
And that's something we always emphasize here when we're helping clients build a legacy. You have to think beyond today. Ask yourself, will this investment still be valuable in 20, 30, or even 50 years?
Exactly. Yeah, that's why we personally love cash value life insurance policies and fixed index annuities. They offer long-term growth potential with downside protection, which is key for building legacy wealth.
Absolutely. Absolutely. Buffett is also big on investing in companies with strong fundamentals, businesses with solid leadership, steady earnings, and, some kind of competitive edge.
Mhm. And that mindset actually applies beyond stocks. So, whether it's your business, real estate, or a financial product, quality matters. So, choose investments with stability and a track record of success.
And keep debt low. Buffett isn't a fan of over leveraging. Managing your debt wisely means you can take advantage of opportunities when they arise instead of being stuck in financial quicksand.
Correct. Yes. So, this next rule is very, very powerful as well. So, be fearful when others are greedy and greedy when others are fearful.
Right. So basically, don't follow the herd. When the market is soaring and everybody's out there buying, that might be the time to be cautious. But when markets dip, smart investors see opportunities.
Correct, which is why liquidity is key.
Yes.
So, if you have cash reserves or access to protected index strategies to leverage against, you can take advantage of those market downturns while everyone else is in a panic.
Absolutely. So, building wealth, though, is only half the battle here. You also have to pass it down wisely. And Buffett is a big advocate for estate planning and financial literacy as well.
Yes, absolutely. So, this is where trusts, wills, and structured plans come into play. And without them, your hard-earned wealth can end up in probate, which is no fun, or
Not fun.
worse, or worse, in the completely wrong hands.
Right, right. And we can't, forget about the education piece as well. One of the best ways to preserve generational wealth is by teaching our families about money. Buffett didn't just create wealth, he passed down his knowledge too.
100%. Yep. So if today's conversation has you thinking about your own financial future, we're here to help.
Absolutely it. At Talk Money with Tish, we specialize in investment strategies, estate planning, and financial coaching to help you apply Buffett's principles to your life.
Yep. So whether or not you need a customized investment plan or a trust setup or a strategy for passing down that wealth, let's chat. Schedule a consultation with us today.
Yes, because your legacy isn't just about what you leave behind, it's about the financial foundation you're building today.
So thanks for joining us today. If you found this episode helpful, share it with a friend and be sure to subscribe so you never miss an episode.
And don't forget, wealth is built intentionally. Let's make smart moves together. See you next time.